And in this next report now, traders in Alaba International Market are seeking active involvement in trade policy formulations. They're pushing for maximum participation in the ongoing voters registration process to ensure optimal leadership and governance, as well as calling on INEC to deploy more voters registration centers in the market. We have TVC News correspondent Ifeanyi with the details.
Traders in Alaba International Market are mindful of how policies of government impact their activities. This is why the leadership of the market at this meeting is taking steps to ensure that traders get their voters' card to enable them participate effectively in electing leaders that will promote impactful trade policies.
Whenever policies and decisions that will affect the market people are being taken, they don't used to call on us. And we want to tell them that this time around, we want to debunk that idea of, seeing us as a body that is not organized. We are organized people. We have decided to get our PVCs so that at the day of election, we will choose somebody who will involve us in all decision or policy making.
Because of non-participation of our people in governance, most of the policies being produced by the government are affecting them. So they believe that it is high time they partake so they can in decision taking. So that when needs are, they can be able to give their own idea on how things to be done.
But they are afraid that the limited number of voters registration centers in the market may, however, leave many disenfranchised.
There's need for INEC to deploy more machines to Ojo local governments in general, because presently we have just only 4 machines in Ojo local government, which is very, very small for people to register their voters card.
Ojo Federal Constituency is more or less like Nigeria. All tribes, Hausa, even West, every ethnic group in Alaba. We are all residing in Alaba, and we need more machines to do this PVC. And these 4 polling units are outside. It's only 2 within Igbede and Ojo local government. So you can't expect 2 polling units or INEC registration center to occupy places of like Alaba that has more than 13 polling units.
The resolution of the market leadership is that every trader must exercise their civic responsibility by getting their voters card. Ifeanyi Eze, TVC News, Lagos.
Now bring you the latest from the international front. Asian shares slid sharply today after Wall Street hit a confirmed bear market milestone and Treasury yields struck their highest in more than a decade on fears aggressive interest rate hikes would push the world's largest economy into recession. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan extended losses to be down 1.54%. Australian shares also lost 4.6%, while Japan's Nikkei stock index was down 2%. Now in Hong Kong, the Hang Seng index slipped 0.91%, and China's CSI 300 index was off 1.9%, doubling its earlier losses. In the cryptocurrency space now, cryptocurrencies tumbled afresh today with Bitcoin and Ether falling to new 18-month lows after major cryptocurrency lending company Celsius Network's freezing of withdrawals delivered the latest jolt to investors in the asset class. Bitcoin fell as much as 7.2% to $20,816, its lowest since December 2020, extending Monday's 15% plunge. The world's largest cryptocurrency is now down over 50% year-to-date and 28% since Friday. Number 2 token, Ether, also lost as much as 10% to hit $1,075, its lowest since January 2021, and smaller tokens have taken even more of a battering. The sell-off was as a result of Celsius's suspension of withdrawals and Friday's high U.S. inflation data, driving expectations of sharper interest rate rises from the Federal Reserve. Wrapping our business news now, oil prices on the international market inch lower after seesawing through early trading today, as worries that fuel demand would be hit by a possible recession and fresh COVID-19 curbs in China outweigh tight global supplies. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude recorded a 0.84% price increase to hit $122 per barrel. Brent crude now sells at $123.40 per barrel, registering an upward price margin of 0.90%. Bonnet Light's performance is, however, still in the red territory with a price decline of 0.56%, selling at $126.30 per barrel. And for the OPEC basket, crude oil dealers offer $123.20 per barrel with a price dip of 0.02%.